Did you know NASA once found something so strange, they didn't announce it for years? I'm not kidding. Imagine a discovery that even the world's top scientists weren't ready to explain. Let's dive into one of the most bizarre mysteries ever to leave even NASA speechless. Back in 1976, NASA's Viking landers touched down on Mars for the very first time. Their mission? To search for signs of life. But what they found was, well, let's just say it wasn't what anyone expected. The Viking landers ran a series of experiments on Martian soil. One test, called the labeled release experiment, was designed to detect metabolic reactions. Basically, to see if anything in the soil was alive and eating. And guess what? The results came back positive. The data suggested something in the soil was actively consuming nutrients and releasing gas, just like bacteria would on Earth. Suddenly, headlines were on fire. Did NASA just discover life on Mars? But then, silence. NASA scientists stepped back, double-checked, and argued for years. Was it really life, or just some weird chemical reaction no one had seen before? Here's the twist. To this day, nobody knows for sure. The Viking results have never been fully explained. Some researchers insist it was microbial life. Others say it's just Martian chemistry being, well, Martian. NASA kept things quiet, worried about causing a frenzy over something they couldn't prove. All these years later, this mystery still haunts scientists. Every Mars rover sent since is searching for the answer. Did we find life on Mars in 1976? Or is the red planet just toying with us? So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, sometimes the biggest discoveries are the ones that leave even NASA speechless. Remember the labeled release test? Watch the readings spike. Exactly what you'd expect from microbes. But the chemistry argument shows similar spikes under non-biological conditions, which is why the debate never ended. The records still baffle experts. Some scientists point to reproducible signals as evidence. Others counter with chemical control experiments that mimic the signal. Every mission since has added pieces to the puzzle, but no definitive answer yet. It was a tiny experiment with a huge result. The world reacted. Then scientists paused. They chose caution over a premature announcement, and so the file stayed half open, half closed, leaving us with a question that won't go away. Did Viking find life? The data looked like life, but the chemistry looked suspiciously convincing too. Scientists argued, reran tests, and questioned assumptions, and the spike remained unexplained. Modern rovers continue the hunt with better tools. Labs on Earth recreate Martian chemistry to test both ideas. Every dataset narrows possibilities but also raises new questions. We're better equipped now than ever before, but the Viking mystery remains a cautionary tale. So the next time you look up, remember the tiny experiments that changed everything. They remind us how fragile certainty can be, and how exploration is a long conversation with the unknown. From Viking to today, we keep asking. Some say the answer is there, hidden in the noise. Others caution patience and proof. Scientists test, debate, and keep exploring, and the mystery stays alive. Sometimes the universe keeps its mouth shut, but for curious minds, the silence is an invitation. Did Viking find life on Mars? You decide. If you want more mysteries like this, hit subscribe, because sometimes the biggest discoveries are the ones that leave even NASA speechless.